Asserting that there is no need for election campaign for the ensuing Lok Sabha election, Chief Minister N. Biren urged the people to elect the right leader. This was stated during the meeting held at the residence of spokesperson of BJP Johnson Ilangbam at Kaishamthong Ilangbam Laikai. The meeting was attended by General Secretary of BJP Manipur Pradesh and Nagaland, Abe Kumar Giri, Higher Education Minister of Nagaland State, Temjen Imna Along, spokesperson of BJP Johnson Ilangbam, among others. Chief Minister N. Biren stressed on the need to prepare themselves to confront any eventuality, given that there are enough evidences to classify friends from foes. He said the people should emphasize on matters to build a united Manipur rather than wasting their time on elections.
Hojik lagiba Manipuri situation sida praja singa aiga aur sarkar ga bhag taminabduna hena maru oiba bahut khomna ta maru ena tampak na leiliba ekoi ichile lausing marakta maru ena maitai gi marakta issue si kari no kamai to ko se yekna bana kana no maru na kana no ekoi ne sadi si karai no kana na kari thengna do no kari do no si posi confusion amala kanda jingdar ko ko se sumai mang do sakta da bimo issue je khandari da namda kai thoi da bne kusi thoi ba thok si kari no kamai to ko se khandari thoi dia aduga koi kari do no koi kari do gi se me nai na hok de adugi ai kan no hona jabne manipur ko ile post figure visual video min no pot khara manipur praja se da khangan jore di thajaro thajadi drugs na koi kara yore da gi khun kayam ta se na me karai da khun kayam changa aga le mino 2006 da gi na 2018 say try to gi manu se kun chama pun ge mokra to ka to mi se karai da no kari gi da mo district home se da hankal lai no karai da gi attack to ri no guys si khamin da ba ma sang ai koi na ma si kum ba gi post si da politics na ma si ta hok da gi ne me na si so